Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Wednesday, October 24th. We are fresh off of my birthday weekend, and I'm not going to lie to you, the hangover was merciless and took way longer to recover from than I anticipated. Me and Nyasia went away to Atlantic City for my birthday weekend, and we partied pretty hard. But we're back. We got a brand new sneaker pickup. Shout outs to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. We're going to do the unboxing, the review, and on feed for you guys. So without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We got the Crazy Boost You Wear in this cream white and clear orange colorway. I know the hype has died down significantly on the Crazy Boost You Wear, but I'm a sucker for a dope sneaker. I don't buy what other people tell me is cool. I buy what I like rocking, and I love my other pairs of Crazy Boost You Wear. So it was only right that when a dope ass colorway like this, creamsicle is what I'm calling them, colorway came out, I had to be all over them. I'm not going to lie to you. I did think that the clear orange was going to be a little bit more orangish. I would compare this closer to a salmon color if I'm being perfectly honest. But it's pretty much the same as the original Crazy Boost You Wear, which I believe I have right here. So I got the white pair right here. As you can see, the silhouette is exactly the same. The only thing that's different on the new one are the materials. This is just mainly a mesh knit upper. I'm not even sure. I don't even think it's primed. I think it's just regular knit and mesh. But on this cream white, clear orange pair, we have a little bit more of a better upgraded material build. We have suede throughout. The whole cream white part is suede. And then this clear orange is actually leather. And then the tongue is that nubuck suede. Like I said, aesthetically, the sneaker is identical to the original. So if you have the original pairs, they fit exactly the same. Like I said in the previous Crazy Boost You Wear video, I recommend going down a half size. I always go down a half size in Adidas models, especially Boost. All my Ultra Boost, all my Pure Boost, and Nikes, EQTs, everything I get with Boost, I go down a half size, except for Yeezys. I either go with my traditional 8.5 or I actually creep up a half a size. But with these, an 8 is what I went with, so I do recommend going down a half size. Now, the price point for these is $150. Now, if you want to be patient and not dive right into these, you probably can wait and get these on a clearance sale eventually. I didn't want to wait. I was all over the sneaker when I seen this colorway was coming out. And as much as, I claim no brand loyalty, because I really honestly don't, I haven't been buying some Nikes recently. If you've noticed, all my past videos have been Adidas. But I was trying to, hope for a Nike or a Jordan to drop that was going to make me change that. Because I don't like keeping the channel mundane. I like variety. I wear a variety of different brands of sneakers. But I saw these were coming out. I knew I had to have them. So shout out again to Lapstone Hammer coming through with this. But $150 is what I paid. If you want to wait it out, you probably can get them discounted. Like my white pair, I waited. I got them at Finish Line for they were on sale for $59.99, and then I had a 20% off Finish Line Winter Circle Rewards member discount, and I was able to use that. I'm pretty sure I got them for $40. That's pretty much it, guys. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you think of this colorway. We're going to go do the on foot. I will be back later this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats. catchy, raucous beat.